Hello, my name is Liisa Speaker of the Speaker Law Firm, an appellate boutique firm in Lansing, Michigan. One of the top questions potential clients have is, how much will an appeal cost? There are many factors that go into the cost of appeal, including the out-of-pocket expenses and the attorney's fees, which are charged at an hourly rate. One of the factors to consider is the number of issues that the client wants to raise on appeal. The more issues there are, the more time it will take to prepare the brief. The number of days of hearings or trial will very definitely impact the cost of appeal, not only because the transcripts will cost more if you have a long trial, but also because it takes more time to review the transcripts. Another factor that increases the cost of an appeal is when the proceedings or issues are complex, because it takes more time to explain to the Court of Appeals what happened in the case. What the opposing counsel files also impacts the cost of an appeal. If opposing counsel files a lot of motions or includes a lot of information in their brief that requires a response, it will take more time to respond to them. Whether the case has legal or factual issues can also impact the cost of an appeal. For example, factual issues usually take more time to brief because we have to analyze the facts when we are arguing on appeal that the trial court's findings are against the great weight of the evidence. Trial court error on a legal issue could make an appeal simpler, but a legal issue of first impression, which means the Court of Appeals or Supreme Court has never addressed the issue, could take more time to write about in the appeal. And the last thing that impacts the cost of an appeal is how much client communication is required on the client side. So if a client has a lot of questions that cannot be answered by support staff and requires a meeting with an attorney, that will definitely take more time and will cost more for the overall appeal. I hope that gives you an idea of what goes into how much an appeal will cost. Thank you for considering the Speaker Law Firm.